In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a dot above a letter in Google Docs, a task that can add a touch of professionalism or linguistic accuracy to your document. Whether you're laying out a scholarly piece, typing in foreign languages, or simply exploring the depths of Google Docs features, understanding how to utilize special characters effectively is key. So, let's dive right into it. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Google Docs. Simply type Google Docs into your search engine, and the first result will typically direct you straight to the official Google Docs page. Once there, something you'll notice is a button that invites you to open Google Docs. Go ahead and click that link. If you haven't logged in already, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your Gmail credentials to access your Google Docs account. This step is essential, as it not only allows you access to your personal documents, but also ensures that any edits you make are saved and synchronized across devices. After logging in, you should see a list of your documents. Select the document you want to edit or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once your document is open, take a glance at the top menu bar. You'll see a variety of options there. Focus on the one that says Insert. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is a treasure trove of useful features. From the list, you want to select Special Characters. Clicking on this option will open the Special Characters dialog box, a handy tool for inserting characters not found on your standard keyboard. Inside this dialog box, you can search for the specific character you need by either scrolling through the available options or using the search bar conveniently located at the top. If you know the letter you want to modify with a dot, simply type the letter followed by the word dot into the search bar. This will narrow down your options and help you find exactly what you're looking for without unnecessary scrolling. Browse the results until you find the letter with a dot above it. Once you've located the character, simply click on it, and it will be inserted into your document at the current cursor location. This action ensures the character seamlessly integrates into your text, maintaining the consistency and flow of your document. And there you have it. You've successfully added a dot above a letter in Google Docs. This simple yet powerful feature allows you to customize your text with precision and creativity. Don't hesitate to experiment with other special characters available in the dialog box to further enhance your documents. Remember to save your work and enjoy the freedom and versatility that Google Docs provides as you continue crafting your documents with style and accuracy.